Hello, can you please give me a lift to the next metro station?
Sure, please get in.
Thank you, sir. I am Lakshmi Rao, a software engineer working at Internet City.
Great. I'm Astor, a doctor by profession.
My pleasure to meet you, sir.
Thanks. I think you are having a hectic workload being an IT engineer.
That is so true. How did you know that?
Well, it's on your face, Mrs. Rao. You seem to be gloomy. I think you didn't have a proper sleep last night.
You said it. But it's not due to workload, Dr. Astor. It's not the work. My husband is having a habit of snoring that disturbs my sleep.
Oh, is it? Did he consult any doctor for treatment?
Treatment for snoring? Is that a disease, doctor?
Not all snoring is the same. People who snore often have too much throat or nasal tissue or floppy tissue that is more prone to vibrate. The position of your tongue can also get in the way of smooth breathing, but snoring may also be due to an underlying disease called obstructive sleep apnea. This can lead to other complications like high blood pressure, diabetes mellitus, or increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Such patients have increased chances of having road traffic accidents.
Oh, usually we all used to ignore snoring as a silly issue. Is there a way to find out how serious my husband's snoring is?
There is a test called Sleep Study, which can assess the degree of snoring and the risk for complications.
I am concerned. Is there any remedy for it?
There are a few remedies to help someone reduce or stop snoring, like weight reduction, avoiding alcohol and sedatives. One can avoid sleeping on the back, rather sleeping on the sides can help keep the air passages open. A snorer should avoid caffeine and heavy meals within 2 hours of going to bed.
Are there any medical cures and treatments for snoring?
There are devices which help to keep the airway open while sleeping. Surgeries are done in selected cases to remove excess tissues and correct abnormalities. There are even dental appliances that help to stop snoring, for which one needs to consult a dentist specializing in these devices.
Thank you very much for your kind advice.
Before jumping into any conclusions, you should first have your husband consult a physician or an ENT specialist.